the fuck? Oh no, this is the ladder.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I was trying to make the, what do you call the plate and saucer thing? I forgot how you do it.
You're doing it wrong. That's wrong.
Well then, is this the ladder?
Lovey, that's a big old mess. Yes, look at it.
Well, hold on. I'm trying to figure it out. But it's something like that.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, how was the...
Lovey, you
What?
got a booger hanging out of your nose. It's dangling right there.
It's probably a piece of tobacco.
You know I'm videotaping you, right?
Oh my god.
And it's so going on Facebook.
Don't do that. How do you do?
Okay, I'm gonna shut this off and I'll show you.